All right. Number 22, the function f of x equals 1 minus x difference squared minus 4 is decreasing throughout the interval. So decreasing. So if we look at this guy, he's going to be a parabola. And we're trying to figure out, okay, from basically, remember, it's like a roller coaster going left to right. We're coming down to what point? That's sort of what we have here. So actually, the answer is going to be sort of obvious here because it's coming down like that from a point. But again, you might be thinking, okay, it's coming up because you might think it's this. But here's the deal. This is off the parent graph. Now we can go graph this and we're going to do it. I actually did it for you and we're going to take a look at it. 1 minus x squared, weirdly enough, that's the exact same as x minus 1 squared. There is no difference. If you do them, both of them are going to produce an x squared minus 2x and a plus 1 when you do it. They're both going to produce that. They're the same thing. No explanation here, but that's true. Please note it. So here's what happens with this. Remember the parent graph y equals x squared. In this case, we came in and we took x and we took away 1. What did that do? That makes movement left and right. It does the opposite of what we think. So on this guy, instead of going over to the negative 1, he went over to positive 1, shifted over to positive 1. And then we came and subtracted 4. So he shifted down 4. So I know this parabola is coming and hitting this vertex point right here at 1 comma negative 4. So I know, looking at this, that it's decreasing from negative infinity to 1. Negative infinity to 1. That's the answer, B. Now, if we go look at the graph, we could go graph it. I did. Here it is right here. We graphed it. Notice if we take a look, let's do this number. We can see, okay, it's swinging in down here. And we can see that it's sort of its main spot right here at where? 1, negative 4. So it's decreasing from negative infinity all the way till it gets to 1. And then it starts increasing as it's starting to go up. Because right here, the point right beside it, notice is a little bit higher up at negative 3.9, starts going up. And you see here it hits its lowest point, negative 4, starts going back up again too. There you have it.